In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change shipping address on Shopify. This is the address Shopify uses as your ship from location when you buy and print shipping labels. Keeping it accurate is important for carrier pickup, rate calculations, and making sure your label details match where orders actually leave from. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you are on your main dashboard, look to the lower left area of the screen and open Settings. In the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how shipping works across your store, including rates, shipping profiles, and label settings. After you open Shipping and Delivery, scroll down the page until you find the Shipping Labels section. This area is specifically tied to label purchasing and printing, so it is where you will update the address that appears as the origin on your labels. In the Shipping Labels section, click Shipping Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where Shopify stores the ship from details used for labels. Now locate the Ship From Address field. Carefully update the address to the correct location you are shipping orders from. Enter the street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country exactly as your carrier recognizes it. If you ship from a warehouse, a retail location, or a separate fulfillment space, make sure you are using that physical origin address. Also double-check for small mistakes like missing unit numbers, transposed digits, or an outdated postal code, since even minor errors can cause delays or carrier validation issues. When you are finished editing the ship from address, click Save. Wait a moment to ensure the changes are applied. From this point forward, when you create and purchase new shipping labels through Shopify, the updated ship from address will be used. If you operate from multiple locations, remember that this setting relates to shipping labels and the ship from information, so keep it aligned with your actual shipping workflow. And that is all there is to it.